Now what's going on, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters? We're back with another video. And JoJo, what are we doing today?
Today we're cleaning out storage units, multiple storage units, and that is how we are starting our day.
And something me and the JoJo will never, ever do is rent a storage unit. And the reason why, JoJo?
Because it's such a waste of money. It is money down the drain every single month. You have no idea how many storage units we have cleaned out where people have been there 3 years, 5 years, even 10 years paying every month to store the junk that they eventually ask us to haul away.
So we're clearing out 4 today, and let me tell you, there's some heavy stuff, some flooring, some heavy ass doors right here, 3 of them that must have weighed about 150 pounds each, JoJo. Oh my goodness, and here's the first unit we're clearing out.
Leave a comment down below and let us know, how many storage units do you clean out?
And don't forget to smash that like button if you love me and the JoJo. Now let's get this money. And let me tell you, property managers keep us busy all year round. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, let's get to work. Ah!
Later, the first unit is done.
Now let's talk trash with me and the JoJo. So JoJo, why do we stay so busy in the wintertime when it's raining and other companies aren't working?
Well, definitely we put the footwork in and hustled our butts when we first started this business. And that's what you need to do, because the more you hustle when you first start, the better things are in the long run. And then your phone will start ringing consistently.
And I remember our first year, some days our phone wouldn't ring. Now I look forward to my phone not ringing, and it never happens. It's always ringing, JoJo.
Yes, when you first start your business, really, no matter what business you do, when you first start, it takes a while for your phone to start ringing. It will ring, you'll get a job or two, and then you'll hear crickets for 2, 3, 4 days, and you'll start to get a little worried, but then your phone will start to ring. But you'll notice that you'll get repeat customers, you'll get more new customers, and you'll just become more established.
So we stay real busy with a lot of property managers that use us all the time, a lot of contractors, repeat customers. But when we first started, it wasn't like that. I'll get a phone call, maybe 2 phone calls a day, then there'd be a silence for like a day or 2.
Yeah.
Now I'd get super nervous, start second guessing myself. Is this the right business to start? But then my phone started ringing more and more throughout the years.
Yep.
And we really don't need to advertise that much at all. We stay busy all the time.
Yeah. But you have to remember that, we're a few years into this, so it takes time.
It does take time. So that's trash talk with me and the JoJo. And that's one reason why we're so busy all the time. Rain, shine, it don't matter. Our phone always rings. I always believe it's going to ring no matter what.
That's good. Believing your phone's going to ring is like believing in yourself.
I just hope it doesn't ring when we shoot videos. Sometimes it does. Then we got to re-record again. So that's the only downside of it.
That does happen sometimes. Sometimes when we go live too, it will ring.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and it kind of cuts us off, and then it freezes for a little while, and then it catches up with us later.
A lot of times it's Yelp too. So stop calling me Yelp. I don't need your help.
Leave a comment. How often does Yelp or Home Advisor or other people, that want to get in your pocket to help your business get better, how many of those type of phone calls do you get?
And when you first start this business, that's gonna happen a lot, especially if you post in Facebook trash groups about you just starting up. They're gonna be in your fucking DM talking all kinds of stuff like, hey, I can help you with your website, your SEO, I can do this, do that. They just want a piece of the pie. So what I would say is, oh, hell no. Leave me alone. But anyways.
No, I say I'll bake my own pie. Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah. So anyways, that's Trash Talk with me and the JoJo. So let's find out what's behind door number 2. Let's see. And it's not that bad. And keep in mind, we're not taking no paints or chemicals. Check that out. All this is gonna stay, but all this other trash is gonna go. You ready or what?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
So 15 minutes later, this unit is done. On to the next one.
So now let's find out what's behind door number 3. And let me tell you, garage cleanouts and storage units like these ones that we can pull up to are my very favorite. So let's see what's behind door number 3, JoJo.
And as you can see, there's not much in here, but everything you see goes.
So here's the tip of the day. A lot of you subscribers out there always leave comments like, I need a JoJo. I need me a JoJo. Well, let me tell you how I got me a JoJo. And JoJo, you know how I got you. I prayed to God for a good woman, and guess what? He done blessed me. They don't make them like you no more, JoJo, and that's for real. So unit 3 is almost done. Leave a comment down below. How many jobs do you guys have today? It's been raining nonstop out here in Sonoma County, and we still got 2 more jobs left. But we also have 1 more storage unit to clean out, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we getting money today. That's the definition of hauling and balling, baby.
So the third one is done about 20 minutes later, and we're on to the last one.
So let's check out door number 4. Let's do it, JoJo.
Now this is what's behind door number 4, and everything is going except for the tools.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I was cleaning out the first unit, I had the JoJo go around and check all 4 units out, and she was like, don't worry, Matt, it's all gonna fit. And I'm not gonna lie, JoJo, I was a little bit worried, but you know what? Your wife is always right. Remember that.
Yeah, remember that. Are you gonna remember that?
I will now. I was worried. Now I'm gonna let you guys know right now, if for some reason you got an ex-wife or husband that wants to beat your ass or kill you, I got some doors that will handle their ass. This door right here is no joke, JoJo.
Is it heavy?
It is super heavy. I guarantee a police officer will have a hard time kicking down this door. Try to move it. Ah,
It is dense.
it is super
It
dense.
is solid wood.
And I will ship it out for the right price, guys. And I got about 6 of them.
Can you see? Oh, come over here and you'll see. Like, it's solid wood. It's not hollow. It is solid wood.
It's not that cheap shit, believe that.
It is a serious door. So number 4, complete. About 25 minutes later. That took a little bit of time. It had some heavy stuff in there. And the tools are staying. That's what he said. Everything goes, but the tools stay.
So, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
$194.
$194. I'm gonna guess $247, but I'm hoping it's under $200. So we're heading to the landfill now. You ready?
Yeah, it is heavy back there. A lot of those doors weighed a lot. Solid wood doors.
It's a heavy load. I can feel it right now while I'm driving. So we're heading to the landfill and let's get it, JoJo. So look who won. It was 3,280 pounds. Holy shit. It was $241. I was off by, what, $8?
Something like that. You were really close.
Oh, yeah.
So we are at the next job of the day. These people found us online and they have some stuff in their garage. I believe it's 2 mattresses, a dresser, and a few other items.
So just like that, another one bites the dust. And I know some of you guys out there don't work in the rain. Me and JoJo, we put in work in the rain.
Yeah, we do. We work in all weather.
And where we at right now?
Well, our loyal watchers will recognize this place because we are behind CVS, and we come here often because they have a homeless problem, and people, they just use drugs back here, they just toss their garbage back here, and there's always stuff here.
So you guys want to see the job? Here's the first part of the job. And it's a house. And in California, this is going for $100,000. Check that bad boy out. It needs a new roof, it needs some new flooring, a couple new walls, but other than that, it's very livable. Check it out, guys. JoJo, what in the meth is going on over here?
It's a tiny house.
It's a tiny house. Yeah, check that out. So this is the first part of the job. Then there's some more trash by a dumpster. And then what was that other stuff? Was it like some little popcorn seeds or something?
It looked like the unpopped popcorn kernels from like a big machine.
Now, you ready to get this done or what?
Yes.
Let's do it. So the first part of the job is done. And JoJo, how was that?
It wasn't so bad.
About 5 minutes later.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Let's head to the next part. So here's the next part of the job. It's all this cardboard around this trash can and all this little bit of trash behind it. And then also there is some stuff over here that needs to go. This trash can is overfilled, so we'll take these bags and then we'll sweep up all these little popcorn things. You want to bring that home, JoJo, or what?
Nope.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
We'll bring everything but the poop.
What the fuck?
We'll bring everything but the...
Everything but that turd right there, guys. What the hell? Damn, JoJo, I didn't see that. Was that you? I hope not.
That you can never find a bathroom anymore.
Wow, is it really you? God bless you. I love you even more now. So, check out the find of the day. Damn, JoJo, where'd this come from? What restaurant's this from? Ugh. That's horrible, huh? I know one thing, we're not eating nothing over here when we go out to eat ever, for real.
All right, so our last stop of the day has, as you can see, tons of popcorn. Tons of popcorn. These bags we are going to have to move into the dump truck without breaking them and spilling the popcorn all over the place. And honestly, some of these bags are super hard. They're super, super heavy. I don't know how you're going to do it.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to beast mode it, throw them in there, get paid, get out of here, and put in that work.
Okay.
Let's do it. I'm going to show you right now. Let's do it.
Show me.
Not that bad, actually. Ah! Woo! So just like that, we got super lucky. The last bag started to rip and nothing spilt out, JoJo.
Nope.
What a lucky day it is, huh?
Very lucky.
So just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dumping? Do you know who that is?
Yes, that's Fire Marshal Bill.
You are correct. Anyways, what's your prediction?
My prediction is $94.
$94? I'm going to say $73. And leave a comment down below what you guys think.
Yeah.
So we're heading to the landfill. That's our last job of the day.
I can't wait to take a hot bath.
Me too. So we're heading to the landfill. And let's see what happens. JoJo Lena, Fire Marshal Bill. So just like that, I whooped the JoJo's butt again. So just like that, JoJo, we're done for the day, and I'm very happy. Are you?
I'm so happy because now I'm going to go home and take a hot bath.
I need some coffee, some Irish cream coffee.
Ooh.
I'm going to release Holland from Santa Rita County Jail. He's locked up right now. We'll let him go.
Yeah. Well, so this is the story really quick. We don't want our cat on the kitchen table or the kitchen counter.
Or ripping up our new couches.
And so what we do is we put him, in a room that's his. So when we're not home, so he doesn't do those things. And when we're home, we let him out. And, we say no, and we're teaching him to not do those things while we're there. I'm thinking that it will eventually teach him to not do those things, but he still jumps up on everything when we're home.
Can I ask you a question? Did you just say our cat has his own room?
He has a room.
He has his own room. Holland is balling. He got his own room, huh?
I don't know. I'm just saying, if you're a subscriber and you're great with animals, leave a comment and tell us, how do we train our cat to not get on the table or the counters? I'm thinking, how can we train him if we just let him, if we don't lock him up and we just let him roam the house when we're not there and he's able to do all those things?
There is nothing nastier than a cat on top of a counter when you go to someone's house and they're dragging their balls all over the countertop. That's where you make food, JoJo.
No, I agree.
But anyways, hopefully you guys like these videos. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and we'll catch you on the next one.